Installing an expansion kit fan module. Align the screw holes on fan 5 with the fan slot, and then fasten the 3 screws to secure the fan. Route the fan 5 power cable through the pre-cut slot on the fan holder. Align the screw holes on fan 6 with the fan slot, and then fasten the 3 screws to secure the fan. Route the fan 6 power cable through the pre-cut slot on the fan holder. Important: for fan 6, ensure that the fan power cable is fixed at the end of the pre-cut slot as shown. Otherwise, the cable might slide out from the fan holder and get damaged. Connect the fan power cable to the PCIe riser card. Align the fan module with the screw holes on the expansion kit. Fasten the 3 screws to secure the fan module to the expansion kit. Insert the PCIe adapter into the PCIe riser card. Fasten the screw to secure the PCIe adapter to the PCIe riser card. Align the 4 screw slots on the expansion top cover with the expansion kit, and then fasten the screws to secure the top cover to the expansion kit. With the bottom side of the node facing up, fasten the 4 screws on the bottom of the expansion kit. Install the expansion kit to the node